Good morning, Jesse English High School, 10th Standard. Warm greetings to you all after this Navratri festival. Happy Dashera. Be very happy and fit and fine because year ending is coming and we should welcome Happy New Year within a very few moments. So dear students, class 10, today's topic, you see, follow the board work. 10th Standard, Unit 2, Prose, and you know the topic, There's a Girl by the Track, by Devan Kannan. Here you see, 27th October, today's date, 2020. So 27th October means we are very shortly, we are going to start November, December, year ending. So I think that you should be now very fast, FAST, regarding your education and your study materials. What you are getting time to time with the video lessons in attachment. And come and meet me, obviously, positively with your positive outlook regarding your future planning in the school premise. Concept of the lesson you know, that is obviously expressing sympathy. Here you see, page 25, check your understanding, same way do means all same matter, 26, 28, 30. Keep on reading, study all the materials in attachment, whatever you are getting, textbook materials, other materials, question answers including. Write neatly, obviously, in your notebook and make notes so that you can cover any area, any question, any answers you can able to write promptly whenever you will sit in SSLC 21 with your question paper. Think about your future very seriously. 10th Standard, full group, get ready. I have already sent all these things in attachment. I hope so till Vijayadashami, Dashera holidays, you have remarkably read everything you are. If you have read with your according to your capability, serious reading and sincere notes making policy should be there on behalf of the students. I am analyzing today these notes, what I have sent in attachment, question answers. Page 25, get ready, tell the student grow with your English textbook. It's very important. Accordingly, get ready with your notebook. In which way I am making continuously notes for you. You have to make in similar manner your own notes for your study purpose. Page 25. Number 1. It's a regular sin. What was regular about the sin? As the Mumbai Suburban Electric Train made its 22nd 6:32 p.m. halt at a station, commuters swarmed out as a technical signal and into its 12 packed coaches. It's a regular sin in Mumbai. Number 2. Roma Talreja tried to settle into a corner near the door in the train. Was she right in doing this? What would you have done if you were there? No, Roma was not right at all doing this. If I could not get inside the train in that terrific situation, what I will do? I would request my office boss to understand the situation. Maybe that very day, owing to tough condition, it may be 5 minutes late. Okay, I will finish my walk completely words, doesn't matter, but life is very important. In order to avoid the accident, we should have a very good team membership relation wherever we are working. Number 3. There's a girl by the tracks, the voices cried out. Whose voices? Those were all the passengers inside the railway compartments. Number 4. Baleshwar was impulsive in taking a decision because, fill in the blank appropriately, because to help Roma immediately. That is the target of Baleshwar Mishra. That's why he jumped from the train and he pulled the red emergency chain also. Next one. Number 5. The dictionary says callous, C-A-L-L-O-U-S. Callous means unconcerned. In this situation, who do you think were callous towards the accident? In this situation, always read the question, write the question, write the answers following the question. Read the question, frame the answers following the question. In this situation, those people are careless who are not helpful to the others. Next. Number 6. Baleshwar rushed to help the girl. His movement has been described with verbs like shoved. Identify 2 more such verbs or verbal phrases. Shoved means S-H-O-V-E-D. 10th standard, 10th group. Listen carefully. Shoved means a strong push. Other similar category verbs are push, thrust. Both the word. P-U-S-H, T-H-R-U-S-T. Open your notebook. You will get everything. Sit with the textbook. Open your notebook. Side by. Both things are important regarding study part. Listening, study, keep it on your memory mind map and then make the notes. It will be fruitful for you to understand the concept. Next, page 26. Page 26. Where did Baleshwar find Roma at last? Baleshwar, after running for several minutes, he found her sprawled by the side of the tracks. Next, number 2. बहन जी, अब ठीक है? But there was no response and no help in sight. Why was it so? Why was it so? Roma was senseless after that great accident. That's why she could not respond. Chart number 3, page 26. Open your textbook. Roma, 21 age. Education BCom. State they belong to, that is Pune. Profession call center executive. Reasons for boarding the train, office. Baleshwar Mishra, 20. Education high school. State they belong to, Uttar Pradesh, UP. Profession, searching job. Reasons for boarding the train, to reach the home. Page 28. Open your textbook. Page 28. Who volunteered to help Baleshwar? A tempo truck driver, a middle-aged man who spoke Gujarati, stepped out and the man helped Baleshwar. Roma stared and her eyes fluttered open. What could have made her react so? Roma was unconscious. She had got basic first aid just a few minutes ago. Thus, comma, little pause. She steered, S-T-I-R-R-E-D, steered, and her eyes fluttered open. Full stop. Chart here given, name Dinesh, Job marketing. Dinesh is Roma's brother. Place Ulhasnagar. Vehicle motorcycle. 30. Page number. Please. Open. Very shortly. Page number 30. Share your responses. Oh, I could not thank him, Balishwar thought. Who do you think he could not thank? Balishwar could not thank to the middle-aged Gujarati speaking truck driver who helped him in that very consequent moment, who helped Roma and Balishwar both in proper emergency hour. Why did Balishwar revisit the spot where Roma had fallen? Balishwar had revisited the spot where Roma had fallen because Dinesh had told him that Roma's cell phone and handbag were missing. Number 3. Balishwar got some assurance from a railway employee. What was that? A railway employee assured Balishwar that some of Roma's belongings had been found. Number 4. Roma said, I think it's astonishing. What was astonishing? The astonishing matter is that it was astonishing to Roma, in surprise, to a stranger like Balishwar Mishra would jump off a train and risk his life for the girl Roma. Roma could never repay to Balishwar. I want 10th group. Make your notes ready. Bring it to me for homework activities, checking purpose. Clear your confusion, doubt. Make your concept ready. God bless you. Thank you very much.